This 1972 Ford F100 by Velocity Restorations is no ordinary truck. It's a journey back to vintage Ford roots with the kind of upgrades that make it feel like a brand new experience on the road. The build starts on a Roadster shop spec chassis, known for its rigid design and superb handling, and pairs it with Fox coilovers for a ride that's smooth yet responsive. Big Baer 16-inch disc brakes, backed by Hydraboost, give it stopping power you can count on. Powering this classic is a Gen 3.5-liter V8, a modern Coyote Ford engine that's as powerful as it is smooth. The 10-speed automatic transmission offers seamless shifting, bringing modern efficiency to this vintage Ford. With Velocity's exclusive Serpentine system and performance exhaust, this F100 has the sound, the look, and the power to make every drive memorable. Inside, you're greeted by Velocity's street leather interior, a blend of custom details and modern comforts. The classic bench seat, wrapped in rich leather, sits in a cabin decked with features like a Dakota digital gauge cluster, Focal premium sound system, vintage air AC, and a double-din digital head unit for easy connectivity. With conveniences like a tilt steering column, power windows, and a backup camera, this truck is more than road-ready. Velocity Restorations has taken this 72 F100 and transformed it into a unique, luxurious ride that honors the past while offering the best of today's tech and performance. It's a reimagined classic built to be driven, admired, and remembered.